Money make the world go round. The right amount make the world go down. That's a fact, nigga. Money ain't nothing, you play with me, I push a button. My youngin' don't give a fuck about nothing. No, he not a barber, my youngin' be cutting, my youngin' be hustling. The police was on my body, but I beat them cases like mustard. I beat them. Niggas ain't talking about getting on paper, that shit make you change the discussion. I spun out the dealer with cash, I done came up, my mama could brag on me. You so concerned with her lifestyle, I fucked her before I got the math home. Prada bag with the strap on, Cuban looking just like glass on me. I know you mad cause of past niggas, trunk black gloves with the mask in it. Hitters always in my background, they ain't ad-libbing. If I don't do nothing, I'm cash game. Now my fan base is mad with me. I got so tired of the pain, we ride on the train, our niggas is jag with me. Now I got VVS in my chain, no time to explain, they say that I'm mad different. We used to stay up and trap, then I moved on. I know a few niggas that hate that I rap. Why come around if you hate what I jack? If you diss the hood, ain't no taking it back. Got caught with that pain on my lap, then I dropped the song, Flex keep playing it back. That money start coming to change how you act. I drop my new shit, I'ma shake up the trap. I'm tryna run up these hundreds where I just sit back and get blunted. We started out robbing, I was starving, I could feel it in the back of my stomach. 50% of niggas talk about it, the other half actually want it. I give my all to this rap shit, if it don't work then it's back to the corner. You would complain when you seen rain, we used to trap when it's storming. I used to rap in the staircase, can't believe that I'm actually performing. Can't pronounce the name on that box, that mean that package was foreign. He'd rather move raw than be torn. Plug called me from New Orleans, go get it nigga, why you stalling? Sucker shit, a niggas dead, I don't wanna say. I caught him with his family with him, he could die another day. I ain't bring my daughter, I ain't come to play. Bustin' checks, got fat bids, we was really trying to find another way. The streets really ain't for everybody, bust a U-turn, go the other way. I'm tryna run up these hundreds where I just sit back and get blunted. We started out robbing, I was starving, I could feel it in the back of my stomach. 50% of niggas talk about it, the other half actually want it. I give my all to this rap shit, if it don't work then it's back to the corner.